Okay, hi everybody, welcome back to Yumi Hawaii. Today I have another skincare adventures. I finished utilizing all of the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Discovery Kit, so I've moved on to the new K-Beauty Mamonde. This is what it looks like. I got this at Ulta for, I believe, $32 retail. If you like this little Yoda, please click on a like for me. So let's get started. So first off is the Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. This has a very rose smell, so if you folks do like that florally smell, this might be the one for you. Honestly, in my opinion, it's a little strong. I used to only use rose water by the brand Thayer's for toner, but this is my first time using a cleanser with rose, and it's kind of strong in my opinion. And I actually do not think this is an oil to foam at all. When you first pump it out, it has the same viscosity as regular cleanser and regular soap, so it's nothing very special in my opinion, and it's really hard to actually rub around the skin to take off any makeup, unlike other oil-based cleansers. So my preferred method is just go ahead to pump it, because it does come with a pump. Just go ahead and pump it, and after that I'll just put water on it and start foaming it up. It works pretty great as a foaming cleanser, so it foams really well and it does make your skin really clean. And I think that's mostly it. I think it's decent. Up next we have the Rose Water Toner. I believe this brand is actually famous for its toner. This one is the Rose. It is great for all skin types. In my opinion, this is probably my favorite product of the entire set. After I cleanse my skin, I like to put a little bit onto a cotton pad and then I dab it all over my skin. I think it really does make my skin feel really soft, and it does help take off any remaining traces of makeup that I may have. Okay. Next, we do have the serum. This is called the Floral Essential Serum. The smell is of honeysuckle. I believe this is probably the best smell out of the four. It smells very light and refreshing and very feminine in my opinion. And I believe this serum actually pretty good. Once you put it on your skin, it is very soft. It has really good slip, as I could say, because it easily glides through my skin and it actually makes my skin feel pretty smooth. The last one we do have, it's a very big jar. This is the Floral Hydro Cream. It actually feels like a gel because once you put it on, it's very refreshing and it's kind of bouncy, which I really do like. The smell is of a narcissus flower, and in my opinion, pretty strong. Sometimes I put it on and a couple hours later I'm like, where is this perfume coming from? And then I remember, it's my face. My face smells like flowers. So if you guys like fragrance and you want your face to smell like flowers, go for it. And in my opinion, how to describe this smell, I've been thinking about it for a couple of days. It smells just like Marc Jacobs honey. It smells exactly like it. So if you guys are a fan of that perfume, go check out that moisturizer. But overall, I believe this whole set, I would only give it maybe 3 smiling gimme faces out of 5. I probably would not repurchase this again. I think it's a great deal for $32, but it hasn't done anything for my skin. Beneficial wise, I don't think I have more dewy skin. I don't think I have a softer skin. I think it's just kind of so-so. The other positive side is I didn't break out, which is great. I'm always really scared when I'm trying new skincare products. Of course, everybody's skin is different. So if you folks are interested, I definitely would recommend to maybe check it out. Maybe you'll have better luck than me. I'll definitely use it to the end, of course. Let me know below if you have any questions. Feel free to comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care.